Happy Wednesday, first grade. Today we're going to continue learning about spending, saving, and charitable giving. We will sort examples of spending, sort saving, and sort examples of charitable giving. Why? Because it's important to know the different ways to use money. Remember income, say income. Income is money that is earned. Wants, say wants. Wants is something we would like to have, but do not need. Need, say need. That is something we need to have in order to live. Spending, say spending. Spending is using your money wisely to buy things or pay for things. Saving, say saving. Saving is putting your money away for a later use. Charitable giving, say charitable giving. That is using your money to help others. All right, so my friend's son just got a job, and he wants us to sort the ways he's used his money. He wants to know if he's been spending too much, saving too much, or giving too much. Okay, so I told my friend, I said, yeah, we'll help him. We'll sort it out and tell him what he's been doing with his money. Okay, you think you could help me do that? All right. So today we are looking at my friend's son's spending habits. Okay, he just got a job, so this is how he's been spending his money. So the first thing he did right here is put money in his wallet. Put money in his wallet. Did he spend it on something? No, he didn't. Did he save it? Did he put it away for later use? Kind of. What about charitable giving? Did he give it to somebody for a worthy cause? No. So do you think this is spending, saving, or charitable giving? I think it is saving too. He may not be saving it for very long, but he did not spend it yet. So I'm going to drag that over there. The next one is donating money for medical research. Do you think that is spending money, saving money, or charitable giving? Donating money for medical research. Where do we think that one goes? Spending? Did he buy something? No. Save it? Did he put it away for later use? No. Did he? Sorry, guys. Give me one moment. There we go. Did he give it to a worthy cause? Yes, he did. Medical research. Finding cures for things and vaccines for things. This one, he gave some money for a birthday present. He gave money for a birthday present. Where do you think that one goes? Spending money, saving money, or charitable giving? Well, he didn't buy anything, but he didn't give it to a worthy cause. So do you think it's spending or charitable giving? That's a really tricky one. Let me see that one a little bit closer. Gave money to his friend for his birthday. What do you think? Do you think it's spending or charitable giving? I think it's spending because he's not like giving it away for a worthy cause. He's using it as a gift. He could have bought something with the money to give the gift, but he's using it as a gift for his friend's birthday. Our birthdays are not really charitable organizations, even though we'd like them to be, right? All right, so he gave money to his friend for his birthday, is going to go under spending. Spending money. Okay? Our next one is put money away for college. Ooh, that's a smart thing to do, especially if you just got a job and you haven't been to college yet, so you're going to need to save some money to go there. Oh, well, there we go. I just gave you the answer. Spending, saving, or charitable donation. Charitable giving. He's definitely saving. When you put away money for college, you are saving it for a much later use. Goodness, Miss Fisher. Must be the end of the day. Yeah. All right, let's look at this one. This one says, gave money to a local school's fun run fundraiser. Now that one is spending, saving money, or charitable giving. It is charitable giving because he is giving money for a worthy cause. All right, so let's see. What do we have left down here? He paid his water bill. Good for him. That way he gets to keep his water on. Woo-hoo. That was a smart spending choice. A smart choice. So that he paid his water bill, that is not saving. That is not charitable giving. That is definitely spending. It is a good and smart spending. Because that is something we need to have, right? It's a need. He paid his water bill. So now you get to sort the rest of his things that he has bought or saved or donated to so that we can tell him how he's been spending his money, if he's been making good choices. So let's look at your assignment. Here's what we just did together. We sorted if he was spending his money, saving his money, or giving it to charity. And now you are going to do that with the rest of the things he spent his money on. So when you click on the square with the arrow, then you can drag these to the correct place. Remember, spending money, saving money, or charitable giving. So if he bought a donut on the way to work, spending, you'll drag that one to spending. Okay? Now, when you are finished with your assignment, you have drug all the pictures to the correct place. There is a story about a hen who wanted to be pink. Okay? We're going to see if she spent her money wisely. We will find out if you read this story. So what did you learn today? You learned that income is money that is earned. Wants are something we would like to have, but do not need. A need is something we need to have in order to live. Spending, using your money to buy something or use your money on. Saving is putting your money away for a later use. And charitable giving is using your money to help others. And that is all for today, my friends. I will see you tomorrow.